Greetings, fellow traders. Bubbled here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's show you where we are at the market here today. So SPX, guys, down about 17 cents. So talk about a choppy day today. Spinning top week, inside week. Again, we started to break down below yesterday's close, right? So it gave us a nice little short here this morning, then kind of back in range, right? So again, the dip buy continues. So off of the 786, technically this wave 4 is still good. Guys, it's so hard to be bullish, but it could either be the end of the wave 4 right here, or this could be a wave, a 5-wave move, right? We might see a push up and then back down again. So we just kind of need to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at SPY and see what kind of volume we got coming in here today. So pretty low volume right here. We got Fed minutes today. It's normally a non-issue, but the last time it was an issue, right? So the market is very sensitive to any updates, right, from the Fed about tapering and about inflation. Now it seems that the Fed has digested a lot of this a lot of that stuff right now. But I would say just be careful going into the Fed minutes here today. We could see an IV spike, and then just wait until after it to see if we get any clarity. So again, it's not the same as FOMC minutes, but we still have been seeing some volatility off of it. So for day traders out there, just be a little bit cautious going into that. MES, again, just kind of tight range right here, so we'll see how that goes here for the rest of the day. Let's take a look at the Qs. Q's super duper tight. A couple nice moves at the open, some nice drops at the open. Look at IWM. What a beautiful drop here this morning. And really for you bulls out there, what a beautiful V reversal on the IWM as well. So pretty cool stuff there as well. The XLF, guys, was just so weak this morning. JP Morgan had their earnings today, and even though the earnings were pretty good, the market just didn't like it and just started dropping a bunch of these levels right here. So very, very interesting stuff there. We actually have a chart request on JP Morgan a little bit later here, but pretty wild stuff. A couple other banks reporting here today, but a nice drop on the XLF today. VIX got a little bit perky here this morning, but couldn't get over the 20 level and kind of back down here. So we'll see if it perks up again into the Fed minutes here today. Apple, again, beautiful drop here today, guys. We're looking here. This is a potential retrace. We held yesterday's after-hours lows. We bounced off of that. So look for if the Fed minutes at 2 o'clock are weak, look for a break down in Apple for another move. But right now it's loving that 140 strike, which was pretty hot this morning on the initial drop. So a really good move there. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla, super duper choppy move right here. Gave us a little bit of a pop here today, but couldn't get over the geometric line that we pointed out this morning. AMD, however, was awesome at the open. It's still holding up pretty well. Fresh highs today. The 180.50 level is our big area, and we pointed it out to you guys here on the public Twitter. So good move there. Anybody who got involved in that got a point in there, even when the market was weak. Talk about relative strength on this one. LUV, guys, beautiful drop here this morning. We pointed this out the other day. Nice drop here to the almost to the 50-day moving average off of this inverse hammer candle. There could still be more downside to this name, especially if things start, we start getting clarity, right? I mean, you can't just come out and say that it was the weather this weekend that stopped all the flights when the weather was good, right? And then coming out and saying like, oh, it does nothing to do with mandate stuff and everything, right? So I mean, we'll see how much longer they can keep this thing up again, but it doesn't surprise me how long they can manipulate stuff. But anyway, nice drop here at the day moving average. We have a good opportunity for our swing idea to get out of that based on the the news ideas. But let's see how this one goes into earnings, because Delta Airlines was not good today. We got a few requests out there. Let's see if we get Bitcoin again back up here today. Let's see if it takes that inside day up to our 1.618 level to 60,000. We pointed this out in our group the other day at 5 a.m. around this area right here, about 45,000. So again, nice over 10,000 point move, which we like. Other than that, let's say we got Root. Okay, so Root just kind of chopping around here below the 80 MA, not looking too amazing right here. Sophie, again, like I said, guys, yesterday, folks were asking me yesterday if we should get long in it now. I was like, guys, if you were long in it from here, great, right? And, look to trim and trail on the way up right here, but a nasty pullback right here that could turn into dark cloud cover. So maybe dark cloud cover, depending if we were gapped over yesterday's highs. Let's see where yesterday's highs were. 1902, and today's open was 19. Yeah, so not quite dark cloud cover, but still kind of a bearish candle. It could turn into a bearish engulfing candle, depending how wild things get this afternoon. Other than that, we got Hood on the radar. So Hood with a nice breakdown from yesterday, guys. We got a good drop on that here this morning. Looking like a possible H pattern. So again, keep an eye on Hood. Bearish. We love Hood. Hey, Hood Q, right? Let's go. Right? AFRM. Great find from you guys in the live streams that we've been looking at here at Firm Holdings. Bull flag breakout here this morning. Let's see if that can continue to hold up here today. SE Again, big pop on SE here today. Again, just right off of the cloud for a big volume move on the open right here. So again, see if that gets any follow through there. Zoom with a nice move. I'm not ready for Zoom, guys. I'm not looking to take a position on this one. Inside day up right here. I'm going to wait until after option expiration to see how it behaves there, because this option expiration, it's just going to work. It's just ground its way down. It's perky. I like it, but yeah. Let's give it a couple days. See how it goes. JP Morgan, if it goes without me, it's fine. JP Morgan, great drop here today, guys. Again, Doji sandwich down to the 50-day moving average. And again, that just kind of weighed on the market. Again, like we said, good earnings. But something they said got the algos going. So it just kind of is what it is. But great requests here today, guys. Again, looking for some chop into the Fed minutes. And then after the Fed minutes, maybe get some clarity after that. Until then, guys, we'll see you guys in the market wrap. Till then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.